There was a Bible study group within BSU, and they would hold a church, and it was eye-opening and inspiring to see that even on campus we could create something like that.
When I was in the Rivera Library, I had the realization that, oh my gosh, my mom got her PhD here. Her dissertation's probably in this library. I ran up there and I saw it, and it was so beautiful and eye-opening.
Some of my favorite parts of my UCR journey were housing my freshman year, definitely, because I met some of the most amazing people. My roommates actually became my best friends after that point.
Joining the sorority was a life-changing experience because I was able to build a connection with all these amazing women who empowered me to be the best version of myself.
When I first came to UCR my freshman year, I remember Block Party was the first big event. Your first college experience, I feel like that's one of everyone's favorite times, just because it's your first time doing something like that in college. I even remember Snakehips was performing. It was just super cool.
My second year, I got to take a bees and beekeeping class where I actually had my own beehive. I got to get honey from the bees, and it felt amazing. I was one with the bees. I had this whole little army of bees. It was so cool.
Backstage at Spring Splash 2019. I have this distinct memory of being backstage, looking at Rae Sremmurd performing and seeing the bell tower in the back, and then seeing all my friends in the crowd. And that was a moment where I was I'm proud to be a Highlander.
The Chicano student program, they had a really dope event where they had taqueros out, and they had a whole band and things like that in the hub. I'm really into cumbias, bachata. I don't look like it, but back home, that's just what it is. That event really hit me home too.